Creating faceless YouTube videos is one of the best online businesses you can start in 2026. And here's why. Just like people missed dropshipping in 2020 and the crypto boom in 2021, this year is all about YouTube automation. Right now, YouTube is pushing small channels more than ever, which makes going viral way easier than most people realize. Just look at this creator posting simple ancient philosophy videos. With only few uploads, he's almost reached 200,000 subscribers and pulled in millions of views. And the craziest part, every single video is created entirely using AI. Now, don't get me wrong, results like this don't happen overnight. You still need to put in effort, but the biggest advantage you can have is knowing exactly what works. That's why I made this video. I'm going to walk you through the full process, step by step, so you can avoid wasting time and actually build something that has real potential. You'll learn how to create videos people actually watch, how to design thumbnails that get clicks, and how to optimize your channel so the algorithm pushes it for you. So if you're serious about starting a faceless YouTube channel, don't skip this video, because now let me show you how to build a fully branded channel using only AI. First, go ahead and open ChatGPT and ask it to generate a list of 10 channel name ideas similar to the hidden library. You can find all the prompts I'll be using in my Telegram channel, which is linked below. Now that you have your channel name ideas, choose the one you like and ask ChatGPT to create a channel description that matches your chosen name. But make sure to ask it to include relevant keywords, as this is super important for SEO. Now that you have your channel name and description, let me show you how to create a logo, and trust me, you'll be impressed with how the results turn out. To start off, ask ChatGPT to create an image prompt that will be used in Leonardo AI, but make sure to ask it to design the logo specifically for the channel you chose earlier. And just like that, your image prompt for the logo is ready. Now, make sure to copy the prompt and head over to a tool called Leonardo AI. Once you're in, open the image creation tool on the left here. Make sure to set the preset to Leonardo Phoenix, as it gives the best results. For the image dimensions, set it to 1:1 since that's the standard logo size. After that, paste the prompt into the prompt box and click generate. This will take about 30 seconds to generate, and once it's done, boom, you've just created the perfect logo for your channel. Just look at the details. It's a pretty good logo, especially considering you made it for free. Now, make sure to download the logo you like. Now, I won't just show you how to create a channel, I'll show you how to optimize it perfectly so your channel's visibility increases by more than double. And this is a thing that almost no one talks about. First, go ahead and create your channel. Upload the logo you just made, enter your channel name, and set the description. Once that's done, open the channel settings and click on the channel tab. Here, you'll see a box where you can input your channel keywords, and trust me, this is more important than you think. To generate the keywords, we'll use a tool called vidIQ. Once you're in, open the AI coach menu on the left side here. Ask the coach to generate a list of highly relevant channel keywords, and make sure to include your channel name and niche. You can also stop the video here and copy the exact prompt I'm using. Now, just click generate, and just like that, you'll have the perfectly optimized keywords ready. Now, copy the keywords you just generated, head back to YouTube Studio, and paste them into the keyword section. Once that's done, simply save everything, and just like that, you've created your perfectly optimized YouTube channel. The next crucial step in YouTube automation is finding a viral video idea and making a script. And to do both, I'll show you the best proven method that works. And if you copy the exact approach that I'm using, you'll massively increase your chances of going viral. First, you need a solid video idea, and the best way to get one is by searching for a channel that has had previous success and looking for a video that has performed the best on that channel. As you can see, this video already has nearly 2 million views. This shows us that the script used in that video is perfect, so let's open it. Now, click on the share button, and after that, make sure to copy the video link. You'll need the link to transcribe the video, which will give you the perfect template for your own original script. To do that, we'll use a tool called Tactic. Once you're in, just paste the video link into the link box and click Get Video Transcription. This process is instant, and just like that, you'll have the full video script exported. Now, simply copy the script from here, and just like that, you're ready to create your own original script. To do that, we'll use ChatGPT, so go ahead and open it. Here, paste the script you've copied, and now watch carefully. You'll need to ask ChatGPT to create a similar script to the one you've included, but you need to include a few other details which are important. First, make sure to ask ChatGPT to maintain the core message of the script. Then, request that it includes uppercase words that will make the voiceover sound better. Also, ask it to include a strong hook at the beginning, and specify that the script should match the original script's length. Once you've added all of that, simply click generate, and ChatGPT will start creating your original script. And just like that, you've created a perfect script with proven potential to go viral. Also, you'll notice that some words in the script are set as fully uppercase. This is very important, and I'll explain why in just a moment. But before we get into that, you've probably noticed that channels using a talking avatar are blowing up on YouTube. That's because these avatars make the videos more engaging, and the audience feels more connected to the channel. Now, I'm going to show you how to create an AI avatar, and trust me, it won't be just another random one. This one will really stand out from the crowd. For this step, we will use Leonardo AI, so go ahead and open it. Here you can leave the preset as before, which is the Leonardo Phoenix. Next, set the image dimensions to 16:9. Now, the important step is to make sure to set the image size to small, because we'll need that exact size to create the talking animation. Now, to create the avatar, you need to type a prompt into the prompt box. For example, describe that you want an image of a wise storyteller that is wearing old clothes. You can also add extra details like a beard, glasses, or a different hairstyle to make the avatar unique. But make sure to specify that you want him centered in the image, shown from the waist up. You can also customize it however you like just by adding that in the prompt. Now you can click generate multiple times to get several options to choose from. And boom! Just like that, you've created your talking avatar. As you can see, the details look incredible, and the style fits perfectly for ancient philosophy videos. Now just pick the one you like the most and make sure to download it. Now before we bring the avatar to life with animations, we first need to create the voiceover. To do that, go back into ChatGPT and open the chat where you generated the script earlier. Here, make sure to copy only half of the script to avoid any character limit issues when generating the voiceover. Now, the tool we'll use for the voiceover is called Dub AI, and to be honest, if you're creating faceless videos, this is the best tool you can use right now. So go ahead and open it. Once you're in, open the text-to-speech tool. Paste the first half of the script into the voiceover tool. On the right side, you'll find many voices to choose from, and they all sound pretty good. But the best one I found for this type of video is Callum, so that's the one I'll use. But before you proceed, let me explain about the uppercase words in the script. The uppercase words we included in the prompt when we created the original script are there because Dub AI voice adds emotion to the uppercase words, making the script sound more engaging. This is important for creating a voiceover that really hooks your audience. And let me show you what I mean. Once you've added the script, click generate. Now, just listen to how much better the voiceover sounds with the included uppercase words.
What truly happens after the final breath? Does awareness simply fade into nothingness, or does consciousness cross a threshold beyond time, body, and identity? Welcome, seeker of truth.
As you can see, the voiceover is just perfect. Now, simply download the first part of the voiceover, then head over to ChatGPT and copy the second part of the script. Paste the script into Dub AI and click generate. Once the voiceover is ready, just make sure to download it. Now, let me show you how you can make the voiceover even better. To do that, we'll use an editor called CapCut. Once you're in, upload both voiceover sections that you've created. Next, select the first voiceover section and drag it into the editing bar below. As you can see, the voiceover has these small gaps, which make the voiceover slow and boring. To fix that, go to the gap part and use the cut tool to cut it, then drag the voiceover to the left side. Do the same for the entire voiceover and don't forget to apply this to the second part as well. Once you've removed all the gaps from the voiceover, you need to export it. Click on the export button and select only the MP3 file, since that's exactly what you need. After that, just click export, and just like that, your fixed voiceover will be ready. Now that you have created the avatar and the voiceover, let me show you how to add animations and make it a real talking avatar. To do this, we'll use a tool called Dub. Once you are in, you'll find a tool called AI Avatar, so go ahead and open it. First, upload the avatar image that you created. Then, click the upload button and upload the first part of the voiceover. Once that's done, Dub has a fantastic feature that enhances the avatar image. So click on the image enhancer tool, and once it's done, click confirm. Now that everything is set, simply click generate talking avatar and then click generate. This process will take about 5 minutes, so while you wait for it to finish, go ahead and repeat the same steps using the second voiceover. Once both AI avatar videos are ready, let's go ahead and export them. To do that, click on the 3 dots below the video where you'll find the post edit video option, so go ahead and open it. Next, click on the export button at the top right and watch closely. First, set the video quality to 4K to get better results. Next, set the bit rate to high for optimal quality. Then, set the FPS to 60 FPS for smooth motion. Once you've done that, simply click export, and just like that, your AI avatar will be ready. Now, the only thing you are missing are the AI images for the video. Let me show you step by step how you can create the perfect high-quality images that will match your video script. To do that, open the chat where you created the video script in ChatGPT. Since we're going to create the images with AI, ask ChatGPT to give you more than 30 30 image prompts that will perfectly match your video script, but make sure to use the exact prompt I'm using for the best results, which you can find in my Telegram channel linked below. Once you're done, simply click generate, and just like that, you'll have around 30 perfect image prompts ready to use. Now that you have generated the image prompts, let me show you how to create the images for your video. To do that, we'll use Leonardo AI, so go ahead and open it. Here, make sure to select Leonardo Phoenix as the preset. Next, set the image dimensions to 16:9. Once that's done, head over to ChatGPT and copy the first image prompt. Then go back to Leonardo AI, paste it into the prompt box, and click generate. Now, simply repeat this process for all the prompts you have generated. Just so we don't waste any time, as you can see, I've generated all the images and they look incredible. Each one has insane details, and after reviewing the script, I can see they match perfectly. Once you're done generating the images, simply download at least one image from each batch, and just like that, you're finally ready to create your first viral video. To edit the video, we will use a tool called CapCut. Once you're in, the first thing you need to do is upload everything you've created. Once you do that, start by dragging all the images into the editing bar below. Then drag the first voiceover part into the timeline, and right after it, add the second voiceover part. Next, let's add a video effect. Open the effects menu and search for film frame in the search bar. This effect is free and looks pretty good for this type of video, so select it and drag it into the editing bar. Then, extend the effect by dragging the end line until it covers all the images. To make the video flow smoothly, let's add some transitions. Open the transitions menu and search for the blink transition, which is also free and works perfectly for this type of video. Select it and drag it between the first two images. Then click on the transition and select apply to all. This will automatically add the same transition between all images, saving you time. Next, go ahead and open the media menu. Here, select the first part of the talking avatar and drag it down into the editing bar. Once it's in the timeline, lower the avatar volume to 0. After that, drag down the second part of the talking avatar and also set its volume to 0. After that, select both avatar parts, then right-click on them and click Create Compound Clip. And just like that, your avatar is ready. Now let's add a mask to the avatar. To do that, click on the mask button on the right side here. Click on Add Mask and select the circle mask. Now, position the mask so that the avatar is in the middle, and also make the mask a bit bigger using the white dots on the corners. Then, open the basic menu and scale the whole avatar image to 60%. Now, just position the avatar in the corner of the video so that it fits smoothly. To make the avatar blend in, go back into the mask menu here. Scroll down and set the feather to around +10 for the best results. And just like that, everything is perfect. Now, we are missing the captions, so let's add them. To do that, go ahead and open the text menu here. Click on the Auto Captions option, and after that, just click Generate. And boom, the captions are ready. As you can see, they are basic and look bad, so let's fix that. For that, go ahead and open the animation menu, and here open the caption section. Here you can find multiple options that you can use, but this template right here is the best one for this type of video, so I will use that one. Now click on the text and position it in the center of the video. After that, open the basic menu. Here, you can find multiple fonts that you can use, but I like how Montserrat looks, so I will select it. To make the text better, click on the bold option and also make the text fully uppercase by clicking on the button below. After that, scroll down where you will find the stroke option. Apply the stroke and set it to around +25 for the best look. And just like that, you are done. Now let's fill out the whole video with images and I'll show you the best way to do it. Since the whole story revolves around one topic and all of the images are pretty much the same, this will be a smooth process. Just select all of the images, including the effect above, then right-click on them and create a compound clip. Once that's done, copy the compound clip and paste it multiple times until you reach the end of the voiceover. At the end, simply cut the clip where the voiceover ends, and that's pretty much it. Now, you just need to open the transitions menu and apply the blink transition between the compound clips that you have added, just so that they match the effects inside of each compound. Once you do that, you are still missing background music, so let's add it. Simply download any no copyright storytelling music and import it into CapCut. Then, select the music and drag it down into the editing bar. Make sure to lower the volume to around -10 so that it doesn't overpower the voiceover. Then, just copy it and paste it on the right side. At the end, simply cut it to match the voiceover length, and that's it. Now, add a 1-second fade out to it using the menu on the right, and then select the first music and add a 1-second fade in. After that, select the compound clip at the beginning, then open the animation menu and here add the fade in animation. Also select the avatar video and add a fade into it as well. Then click on the out animations and add a fade out to the avatar. Now, select the compound clip at the end and do the same. So just add a fade out to it, and just like that, your video is finally ready. To export the video, go ahead and click on the export button here. Set the quality to 4K, choose 60 FPS, and once that's set, click export. Let's see how the final video looks like.
What truly happens after the final breath? Does awareness simply fade into nothingness, or does consciousness cross a threshold beyond time, body, and identity? Welcome, seeker of truth. Today, we journey into one of the most mysterious and transformative teachings ever recorded, a sacred text whispered across centuries, meant not only for the dying, but for the living. This is the Monetizable, known in the modern world as the Tibetan Book of the Dead. This is not a book about endings.
As you can see, this isn't just a random video created with AI. The video we've created has a meaning to it. It's exciting to watch, and it's packed with knowledge. Now that the video is ready, let me show you how you can create a thumbnail that will drive clicks like crazy. First, go ahead and open the chat where you generated the video script in ChatGPT and copy the entire script. Next, open a new chat and paste the script you copied. Now ask ChatGPT to generate a clickable video title based on the script you included. Make sure to copy the exact prompt that I'm using, and just like that, you have created a clickable, engaging video title. Now, let's create the thumbnail image prompt that we will use to generate the thumbnail. To do that, simply ask ChatGPT to create a thumbnail image prompt based on the script above. Make sure to include your video title in the prompt, since we want it to be featured in the thumbnail as well. After that, click generate, and just like that, you have the thumbnail image prompt ready. Now, just copy the full prompt that you have created and open Leonardo AI. Once you are in, make sure to leave the same settings that you have used before. Next, paste the prompt into the prompt box and click generate multiple times just so that you have more options to choose from. This will take around 30 seconds, and once it's done, boom, you have created the perfect thumbnail examples for your video. As you can see, the details are crazy, and we even have the video title included in it as well. Now, just download the one that you like the most, and let's head over to YouTube and upload our video. I believe that all of you watching already know how to do this, so go ahead and upload your video. And now, let me show you how to perfectly SEO optimize it, which will drastically increase your chances of going viral. First, make sure to copy the title that you have created with ChatGPT and set it as the video title. Once that's done, let's head over to create the video description and the video tags. For that, we will use vidIQ. So once you are in, open the AI Coach tool here. Ask the coach to create a perfectly SEO optimized video description for your video, and make sure to include the video title as well. And just like that, you have created a pretty good SEO optimized description for your video. Next, ask the coach to generate the perfectly SEO optimized video tags for the same video name and description. If this is confusing for you, just copy the exact prompt that I'm using and you are good to go. Now that everything is ready, copy the full video description that you have created, then head over to YouTube and paste it in the description box. Next, click on the thumbnail button and upload the thumbnail you have created. Then scroll down and set that the video is not made for kids. After that, click on the Show More button. And here you will find the altered content option, which you need to set as no. And if you scroll down further, here you can find the video tags, so let's add them. Simply go back into vidIQ and here copy the video tags. Then head over to YouTube and paste the tags into the video tag section. Once the video is uploaded and it has gone through the copyright check, if we open the check section, you can see that the video we have created is fully monetizable. Now, the last thing you need to do is set the video as public and click publish. And just like that, you have successfully uploaded your first viral video on YouTube. Now listen, if you made it this far into the video, I'm pretty sure that you really want to make it into the YouTube automation game. So let me tell you something, if you really want to succeed with this, you need to upload consistently. And if you don't see any results at the beginning, that's normal. But just make sure that you keep pushing, learn from the mistakes that you make from each video, and eventually one of your videos will blow up. Keep pushing and see you in the next one.